Hello. In this video we will describe the feature of Creality Slicer 4.8 software. Here is our model. If you can see here, this is z-axis, x-axis and y-axis. You can move this model and you can scale or increase its size, and also you can rotate your model. If you just left click on your model, you will find here in the left, in the first tab, move. You can move this model, for example, as we see here, x represent the x-axis, y-axis and this z-axis. For example, if I want to move this model to x by 20 millimeter and press, if I want to move it y 20 millimeter, and so on. So in this tab you can move your model, and this is a good feature. In future you may import multiple models here, and you want to these models away from each other in order to let the printer print it successfully. So you can move your model as you want. Now we will return back to the origin. Here in this tab you can scale your model. For example, as you can see here, our model, and this is the dimension of our model. In the application itself you can increase the size, or you can scale, increase its percentage, or decrease it, as you can see here. For example, I want to double the size of my model. Make it, as you can see here, it's increased by 100%. The size is doubled, and you can see here the dimension of the model also doubled. So the scale, you can increase the size of your model or decrease it. Rotate, you can rotate your model in order to let the 3D printer print it successfully. Sometimes you need to rotate your model. If you press here, you can rotate around y-axis or x-axis or z-axis. For example, if I press here, if this is the checked snap rotation, it will rotate by a specific degrees, 90 degree in any direction. By unchecked snap rotation, you can rotate it by a specific degree. For example, as you can see here, so this is the main part: move, scale and rotate. Here you can mirror, and this is depends on the motion of the model itself. And these two tabs you can add a support, and we will describe this in next videos. So this is the main feature of Creality Slicer. For example, if I want the 3D printer to print this model as it is and make a slice, I want to see the shape of the model. What is the shape of the model while printing? You can check here, preview, and make zoom in, zoom out. And this is the shape of the model in the 3D printer, and you can simulate the motion of the 3D printer here. As you can see, here's the nozzle. This is just a simple simulation of your model on the 3D printer. And monitor tab, you can, if you connect the application to the hardware or the 3D printer itself, you can check here the percentage of what time I need to complete the model, what time passed in printing, and so on. And this is a preview and monitor.